Hello, our lovely learners. Welcome to our channel. I have been doing, or I have done, what to use and when. If you are not sure and want to learn more or just simply to refresh your memory, this video is for you, where we are going to discuss the present perfect simple and the present perfect continuous and the difference between them. After this video, our free grammar quiz is waiting for you to check your understanding of this rule. Let's get started. I start today with reminding you about the usage of the tenses in order not to get confused in the future. The present perfect continuous concentrates on the process in an activity, and the present perfect simple focuses on the result. Remember, the key word is result. You concentrate your attention on the result, not on the activity. The present perfect continuous, you focus on the activity itself rather than the result. Let's see some examples. Situation number 1. My friend's eyes are red. He has been playing computer games. Has been playing is the present perfect continuous tense. In this example, it doesn't matter to me about whether the activity has finished or not. My attention is on the process which led to the red eyes. Situation number 2. My friend is happy. He has won a prize playing his computer game. In this example, the activity is finished. I'm focusing on the result of the activity. He has won. The action is completed. I use the present perfect simple. More examples. The first example. My father is tired. He has been repairing his car. In this example, I don't know and it is not important whether the car has been repaired or not. What's important is that my father is tired and the activity which led to it. He has been repairing the car. The second example. The car is running again. My father has repaired it. Here, my focus is on the result. The result is completed and now the car can be used. My grandma's hands are dirty. She has been working in the garden. In this example, again, I'm focusing on the activity which led to the result. She has been working in the garden. I use the present perfect continuous. My grandma's hands are dirty. She has planted new flowers. I'm focusing on the result of the activity. The action is completed. I use the present perfect simple. And now let's consider some questions. How long have you been working in the garden? We use here the present perfect continuous to ask something that happened in the past and it is still in progress. How many flowers have you planted? We use the present perfect simple to ask the result, the amount of flowers. This is a completed action and I would like to know how many. How long have you been doing your homework? How much homework have you done? In the first question, I want to know the duration of the activity, which definitely started somewhere in the past and still continues. In the second sentence, I want to know the result. As you can see, it is not so complex to use tenses. You just need to remember when to focus on the result and when to focus on the activity. I hope this was a helpful explanation, and to check for yourself if you understand the grammar rules correctly, please follow the link in the description of this video to do the free quiz. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.